Good morning. So we got in late last night and then we went for a quick McDonald's. So when we went, I wanted to choose something that was Italian. And then when I was saying that, they were saying Italian in McDonald's. But I had two things that we haven't got in England. I can't remember what they were called. I think I took a picture, so if I remember, I'll pop it in here. But yeah, so we're on day one. We're waiting for the models to turn up. They're going to be turning up around about 2 o'clock. And we're going to head down to breakfast in a minute. We're going to be doing a model sort of like debrief. We've got pictures. We're going to go through the looks. We're going to go through what we're going to be sort of aiming to get from this 2 days. What products to sort of like push and all that sort of thing. So yeah, really looking forward to it. And my hay fever. I didn't think my hay fever would be that bad over here, but I don't know if it is hay fever or what. But allergies, mate, allergies. But I'm just looking out my hotel window, and we're in like a business area, so it's not really central Rome, I think. No, I don't know where central Rome is, to be honest. But if you have a look, there's a pool. And then this is where I wake up to. It's a bit overcast today. I wonder if it'll get sunnier later on. It's warm though. Very, very warm. But yeah. Ooh, yeah, nice. A nice little view to wake up to, swimming pool. I love being abroad and then smelling swimming pools. It just smells like holiday. And everybody here is I think, well, a lot of people are here having a holiday. But yeah, it's nice. It's just so nice to get out of England after everything we've been through in the past few years. Just to finally get out, travel, doing hair, showcasing what we do and the Joico brand, and meeting them all. So we're going to go down and meet. I'm going to meet Elisa. We met Alberto last night when we got here. So yeah, I think it's Elisa. She got here later last night. She was getting the train down, so I think it was delayed. But yeah, I'm gonna head down to breakfast now and catch you up in the meeting.
Is there anything that you want us to focus on? Any particular line in Joico, any particular colour that you need to focus on, whether it's the new reds or blonde life or any products in particular?
But in our market now the focus is on blonde life.
Okay.
Yeah.
And Lumission in general.
And Lumission in general. Okay. But now the sales distributors and the addresses are focusing on blonde life. And this is the first one for the presentation. This is like a countdown, no?
Cool.
With catwalk, party people, and
So what does distinguish mean in Italian?
the individuals.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's cool. In here?
Yeah.
The stage in here?
Stage for tomorrow,
Yeah.
and in the afternoon probably we created a stage for all in this area, from side to side, and catwalk.
So this is going to be our stage area and everything for tomorrow. Stage just there, catwalk through here, all the seating down there, seating down there. There is Alberto, and there's David.
Hi everybody.
And then when we go out here, this is all of our prep area, backstage. What we're going to be doing today and tomorrow. The lighting is amazing. And the event is called Distinguished. And they're unpacking all of the colour and everything out of that van there.
Nice mirrors. Yeah.
IKEA?
Yeah.
Yeah. They look very IKEA. Alberto was just saying like the mirrors. I guess they were IKEA. IKEA is just so simple, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah. And this is this is the space for backwash and.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Okay. Yeah.
I was thinking where we're going to wash their hair. Cool. Look at that green line across there.
Green. Yeah, there's a green line on your screen.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
only in this room.
Oh, in this room, yeah. Probably is
The lights.
Yeah, the light.
That's crazy. So yeah, we've got a 2-day show for Joico Italia, or Italy, and we're going to be doing a distinguished event, as you can see behind me on that thing I just showed you. Myself and David are going to be doing 1, 2, 3, 4 models. Alberto's doing models. We've got some of the Italian creative team doing models. Going to be doing haircuts, all 70s inspired. And we've got some really cool images. We're going to be working with Lumishine, Blonde Life. Blonde Life is sort of like the target for the Italian market right now. But yeah, we're going to be doing some blondes, some coppers. Whenever I think of like 70s, I really get like an image of coppers, gingers, really deep, rich sort of chestnut browns, but also loads of blondes like Debbie Harry from Blondie. Her blonde, the dirty blonde, I want to try and create 1 or 2 of those for tomorrow. Using sand, silver from the quick tones. So yeah, looking forward to it. The models get here around about 2 o'clock, and then we've got the rest of the team coming at 3. Time is 11, so we've got a little while. We're going to be working till probably about midnight tonight, so this could be a long sort of vlog-esque. I'm going to try and capture as well, like a camera here, so you can see everything I do on each model. There's going to be a lot of models though, a lot of preps, so I'm going to have to like put it into some sort of order, but yeah, looking forward to it. And then they said, oh, not many of the team do PowerPoints. So I was like, oh, so I reined it right in, and mine was awful. I felt that day.
I don't even remember. I'm sure it wasn't.
Like I started off with Rihanna, like, oh no, Paul Watts my name.
That's right. I remember, yeah. I do remember that.
And everyone else's was just like all the awards and everything. I was like, oh no.
I had an elephant shagging.
You did, yeah.
Bouncing up and down. Joico _ Italia.
And what's yours?
David Murray _ Joico.
AY.
Yeah.
Okay.
We are gonna go to the table for lunch.
Perfect.
Cool.
Just when we go.
No problem.
Yeah.
I love this part because it's under construction.
Yeah,
It's
I love
fantastic. Yeah.
So this is all the prep for tomorrow's show. This is all the backstage. This is all of the geeky stuff over here. And then we've got 2 screens up there. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. And then here's the stage.
You like?
Yes. Yeah, incredible.
Different, you know?
Yeah, it's perfect.
Different. This is the same with the studio, the television studio.
Yeah. Super cool. And then there's going to be a catwalk, I think, through here from the stage there. There's Mr. Murray. Just there. But yeah, really looking forward to it. What we've just done, we've just been sitting out the front in the lobby area, just doing all the mood boards and the presentation for Monday's show. So we've got some teaser videos of what we get up to running tomorrow. But then on Monday, me and David, just there, we're going to be doing a look and learn session. Again, 70s inspired. Going to do a blonde, going to do a copper, and we've just been working on the transition from like 70s up to like bang on trend right now. And there's such a massive link at the minute to sort of 70s and current culture that it's gonna bang. It's gonna be so good. But yeah, really looking forward to it. We're going to break for lunch now, and then the models will be here, and then we'll join you back here. These are the guys behind me setting all. This is all the backstage here. So that's where we're going to be doing all the models after lunch. All the guys sitting out there. And then in here, I think this is going to be like a little product area. So it's going to have all the products on the tables. I think that's what it's going to be. But it's going to be a big event. There was going to be 120 and they've brought it down to 60. So it's a bit more of an intimate event because of the room size, but it's going to be great. Looking forward to it.